Here's a lesson on having something done. If you have something done, you get somebody else to do something for you. I'm going to have my hair cut. She's having her house redecorated. I'm having a copy of the report sent to you. In informal English, we can replace have by get. We're getting a new telephone system installed. They will be getting the system repaired as quickly as they can. I got the bill sent direct to the company. John had all his money stolen from his hotel bedroom. We had our car damaged by a falling tree. I got my nose broken playing rugby. Please press the like hand.